You searched how to buy shares of Telesat Corp, a satellite communications company that operates and develops satellites and global network services. Telesat trades on NASDAQ under the ticker TSAT, and this video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. To buy TSAT, you need a brokerage account. I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you usually must verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker TSAT to locate Telesat Corp. Make sure you select the NASDAQ listing that matches the TSAT ticker to open the correct asset page. On the Telesat asset page, review the company overview and the price chart to confirm the listing. Check the company description, market, and ticker to ensure this is the correct NASDAQ TSAT stock. Click the Invest or Buy button, enter the amount you want to invest, then review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be queued for the next session, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before it can be confirmed. After the purchase, your position will appear in your portfolio, where you can monitor it. Find the broker link in the video description if you want to follow the same procedural example.